Press and hold the button on off for 3 seconds to turn on the scale. The main interface. First, check the number here. The IN number should be large than out number. This is correct. The manual. Click on the menu, click Manual. Here you can check the precautions and some functional explanations. Must read. Home page. Ingredient description. Reduce. When it is found that the remaining goods in the bucket are not completely dumped after loading, to ensure the weight is accurate, lift the boom, click Reduce. The system will display whether to deduct this part of the weight. Repair. When weighing the material of the last bucket, in order to ensure accuracy, click Repair. The screen will display the weight you need and the current weight in bucket. You can shake off some materials in the bucket. When the weight displayed on the screen reaches your required, click OK. Main interface introduction. Here are materials. You can select the material that you want to weigh, like cement, stone. OK, this is the recipe. The proportion. The preset weight. I preset the total weight as 6t for this recipe. For stone. This is preset weight of stone. The current weight of your material in the bucket. Weight of stone already weighed. The weight that you already put into mixer. 0.838 t, the weight that you still need to weigh. You still need 0.838 t. Recipe setting. First you need to know your recipe. The recipe I used here is cement 1, stone 6, sand 5. Let's start. Click anywhere on the screen. Click Edit. Click First Line. Set recipe name. Press Print to switch input method. This means English. Input M, switch to number, input 75, OK, this is my recipe name. Now input the total weight of the recipe. For example, set as 6 tons. Here is material. First material, cement, scale 1. Second, stone, 6. The third material. I want sand. Here didn't show sand. I can input the name, sand. Press OK, the scale set is 5. OK, the 3 materials I need are set up now. Other material I don't need, I will keep them as 0. OK, back to the main interface. Here, you see, I have set my recipe. Here shows the weight. Cement, still needs 0.5 tons. Stone, still need 3 tons. Sand, still need 2.5 tons. It shows the weight you still need to weigh. Our scale supports 20 recipes. You can click here to switch your recipe. For example, switch 75 to M100, just press it. Now it's M100. If you want to add new recipe, click here, choose a new recipe. It's already new. You can edit it. Use the same method to edit recipe. Every day, before weighing, please do the following. 1. Keep the bucket empty. 2. Use the manual throttle to set the speed to 1700 RPM. 3. Tighten the bucket like this. 4. Raise the boom several times, check the weight on your screen. 5. If the weight is less than 30 kilograms, it's normal. 6. If it's more than 30 kilograms or even bigger, do not drop the boom, keep the boom on top, press 0. 7. Then low down and lift boom for several times again to check the weight on